Hello students, in the previous lecture we have seen some examples on arithmetic progression, and in this lecture we are going to see your new examples, means your 5.2, your question number 1. Then your first question is what? Here a equal to 7 is given, b equal to 3 is given, n equal to 8 is given, and n equal to question 1. Then first you will write your an formula, that is an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Then n is not given, a is given 7 plus n is 8 minus 1, d is what? 3. Means 7 plus 7 into 3. That is 7 plus 21, then you will get 28. Means your first answer is what? 28. Then see the next, that is your third example. A equal to question mark, b equal to minus 3, n equal to 18, and n equal to minus 5. Again you will check your example. A equal to question mark, b equal to minus 3, n equal to 18, and n equal to minus 5. Then first you will write your formula, that is n equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Then what is your an value? An value is minus 5. What is your a? A is not given, plus n is given, that is 18, minus 1. b is given, that is minus 3. Therefore minus 5 equal to a plus 17 into minus 3. That is minus 5 equal to a plus minus minus 17 3s are 51, and therefore minus 5 plus 51 equal to a. Then 50 minus 5 is 45. Then here 11 means 46. Your answer is what? 46. A value is 46. Then see the next example. Then your fourth example is, here fourth example is present here. Here a is minus 18 by 18.9, d is 2.5, n equal to question mark, and a equal to 3.6. Then first you will write your formula, that is an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is an? An is 3.6. What is a? A is minus 18.9 plus n is not given, so d is 2.5. And therefore 3.6 plus 18.9, this minus 18.9 will be transferred in that side, equal to n minus 1 into 2.5. Then they are added, then you will get here 6 plus 9, that is 15, then 1. 8 plus 3 is 11, 11 plus 1 is 12. Here point is present here, then 22.5 equal to n minus 1 into 2.5. Then this 2.5 will be transferred in that side, that is 22.5 divided by 2.5 equal to n minus 1. Then you will write divided by 10 divided by 25 by 10 equal to n minus 1. And therefore 225 divided by 10 multiplied by, this 10 will be goes on upper side, that is 10 divided by 25 equal to n minus 1. 10 ones are 10, then 5 25, 5 4s are 25, 5, that is 5 9s are. Then you will write here 9 equal to n minus 1, and therefore 9 plus 1 equal to n. And what is your n value? N value is 10. Then see the next example. Here all examples are same, then you can do in your notebook. Then your next question is, choose the correct answer. Question number 2 is, choose the correct answer. Then your second question is 11th term of the AP is minus 3 minus 1 half 2 minus 3 minus 1 half 2 is dash dash dash, and your options are 28, 22. A is 28, B is 22, and C is minus 38. Then we have here series is given minus 3 minus 1 half 2 up to dash dash dash. Then here first term equal to A equal to what? Minus 3. Here common difference is D. Common difference is D. D means what? This A2 minus A1. This is A1, this is A2, this is A3. Then A2 minus A1. That is minus 1 half minus minus 3. Then you will get minus 1 half plus 3 by 1. Then you will get minus 1 plus 3 2s are 6 divided by 2. Then 5 by 2. Means your D is what? 5 by 2. And N means what? 11, because 11 term is. Then your answer is what? An equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Then here A is what? Minus 3 plus 11 minus 1. D is what? 5 by 2. Then put up the values. That is minus 3 plus 10 multiplied by 5 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Then minus 3 plus 5, 25. Then what is AN value? AN value is 22. Means your B option is correct. Means your B option is correct. Then see the next example. Then your next question is, in the following APs, question number 3, in the following APs, find the missing terms in the boxes. Find the missing terms in the boxes. Then your first example is 2 bracket means box, then 26. Then here your A is what? 2, because this is your first term, equal to also A1. Here A2 is not given. Here A3 is 26. A3 is 26. Then you will write here A3 equal to A plus 2D. Then you will write here but A3 equal to what? 26. Then 26 equal to A is 2 plus 2 into D. That is 26 minus 2 equal to 2D. Then 24 equal to 2D. That is 24 by 2 equal to D. Then what is your D? D is 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Then here A is present and D is present. Then you will find A2 value. Which type you will find A2 value? A2 equal to A plus D. Then what is A? A is 2 plus 12. Then what is your answer? A2 is 14. And see the next example. Your third example is 5, comma, box, comma, box, 9, 1 half. Then here two values are not present, that is A2 and A3. Then first we will write we have. Then A1 equal to A equal to 5. A2 equal to what? Question mark. A3 equal to what? Question mark. And A4 equal to 9 1 half, that is 9 2s are 18 plus 1, that is 19 by 2, then 2 9s are 18, 2 5s are 10, means your A4 value is 9.5. Then you will write your A4 formula, that is A plus 3D. But A4 value is what? 9.5. Then you will put here 9.5. And what is your A value? A value is 5. Then plus 3D. Then 9.5 minus 5 equal to 3D. Then 9.5 minus 5, that is 4.5 equal to 3D. Then 45 divided by 10 multiplied by this 3. Because this 3 will be transferred on denominator. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, therefore D equal to 15 divided by 10, then D equal to what? 1.5. Means here A and D values are present, then you will find easily A2 and A3. Then what is A2 value? A2 formula, A plus D. Then put A and D value, that is 5 plus 1.5. Then you will write here 5.0, 1.5, that is 6.5. Means your answer is 6.5. A3 is what? A plus 2D. Then you will put 5 plus 2 into 1.5. Then 5 plus 5 3s are 5 2s are 10. Then 1, that is 3. Then you will get 8. Then your A3 value is 8. And this is your A2 value is 6.5 comma 8. Then see the next example. Your fifth example is box 38. 3 boxes are present, minus 22. Minus 22. Then here A term is not given, then you will write here we have A equal to A1 equal to A equal to question, A2 equal to 38, A3 equal to question mark, A4 equal to question mark, A5 equal to question mark, and your A6 value is minus 22. This is A1, this is A2, this is A3, this is A4, this is A5, and this is A6. Then you will write here A2 equal to A plus B equal to what? 38. This is your equation number 1. Here A6 equal to A plus 5D equal to minus 22. This is equation number 2. And you will use here by elimination method. By elimination method. Then multiplying equation 1 by 9. Here A is same, then you will directly cancel. Then you will write here by elimination method. Therefore, A plus D equal to 38 and A plus 5D equal to minus 22. Here minus, here plus. They are cancelled. Here minus 4D equal to 8 plus 2 is 10, then 60. That is D equal to 60 divided by minus 4. Then 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 10. That is D equal to what? Minus 15. And this is your D value. Then put this D value in equation 1. Then you will get the A value. Put this D value in equation 1, we get, that is A plus D equal to what? 38. Then A plus minus 15 equal to 38. That is A minus 15 equal to 38. Then A equal to 38 plus 15. Then A equal to 8 plus 5 is 23. Sorry, 8 plus 5 is 13. Then 1. 3 plus 1, 4. Then 5. That is 53. Means here A value is present 53 and D value is minus 15. Then you can easily find A3, A4 and A5. Then A3 is A plus 2D. Then put up the values. A means 53 plus 2 into minus 15. That is 53 minus 30. Then you will get 3, 2. That is A3 is what? 23. Then next is A3, then A4. A4 formula is A plus 3D. Then again you will put A and D values. That is 53 plus 3 into minus 15. That is 53 minus 45. Here 13 minus 5 is 8. Then here 4 minus 4 is 0. Then what is your A4 value is 8. Then find your last value is A5. Then A5 is A plus 4D. What is A value? 53 plus 4 into D means what? Minus 15. That is 53 minus 15, 4s are 60. Then minus here 60 minus 53, that is minus 7. This is your A5 value. Then 53, 23, 8 and minus 7. And here your here your question is completed, and at the rest we will see in the next lecture.